my shrimp in there. Bitches giving professional. I'm on lunch. Eat break. Eat food with me. Not just a hair in my food. I made spring rolls. No, what the fuck I was finna call them. I made a different sauce because I was getting sick of my regular schmegular sauce. And I know they always sell this with peanut sauce, so I added some peanut butter to this. Because I felt like it was too strong. You know, like all the stuff you put in here is like hella strong flavor. Hoisin, oyster. So I needed something to balance it out. So let's give it a try. I'm back on my trying to eat right. Trying to get my fiber in. Sauce still strong as shit. I did my nails too. Y'all like them? Oh, they're eating. I'm sorry. They're eating. Only bad part. My thumbs is not the same length. My thumbs are even short. These are even medium. But I made these press-ons myself. Why's my water bottle leaking? Why are you leaking? Cause why are you leaking? I thought we were good. My pants all wet. I'm gonna have to find a new water. I gotta buy a new water bottle because I be throwing that in my passenger seat. That bitch be laying in the bed with me. I'm gonna wake up whole bed moist. I'm a little mad about that. Cause like, what happened? Let's see. Maybe it's, oh wait. Wait a minute. Okay. I think the seal just broke. Hold on. Women in fucking STEM. Just broke. Watch it be fixed. It be fixed. It's fixed. That's residual water. It's fixed. I love eating in peace too. This is the first break I've ever been able to eat and then nobody walked back here. It's because we're short staffed and we're busy. Like, where's my man at? I'm ready to be packing lunches, not eating the lunch I packed. I got dinner and dessert ready for you when you get home. Your daddy's home is blasting on the speaker. I don't think I've ever talked this much in a mukbang. I think there's gonna be a better bite, so we're gonna say that for last. I wonder what this tastes like without sauce. Let's see. Well, I know I just put sauce. I'm gonna take the next bite. Oh, I have to come back, so I wouldn't run out of time. I want to see what it tastes like without sauce. Absolutely fucking not. What did I think it was gonna taste like? It tastes like cabbage and fucking carrots. Bottoms up.